Let's learn how to draw a football or soccer ball easily. This is the most easy and simple way to draw a perfect football. At first, make a circle and then make another little one. Now make a pentagon shape here like this. Now draw 4 more. Two in the upper part and 2 lower part. In total, 5 pentagon, okay? Now, connect all of them in the middle. Now make another one here by connecting these lines here. And now the football is almost complete. Fill all of the shapes with black color. This is the most easy and simple way to draw a perfect football. If you find this video helpful, you may like this video to appreciate me. And that's it. If you want to make this football more realistic, you can add some shadow like me. For better finishing, blend with tissue paper or cotton fabric. If you are new here, subscribe for next easy tutorial. You can add some shadow like me. And here is the final result. Thanks for drawing with QWE Art.